Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by clicking on one of your apps and then selecting Home button. Now do exactly the same with a second one. When you're ready, access both of those apps in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this square button on the right. Now tap on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and select Split Top. Now click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!